So the three different ways we're going to write things in slope-intercept form. Number one, we're going to use, just by looking at a graph, you can find, oh, this is y equals negative x plus 2. You can tell by looking at the number that it begins on the y-axis, that's 2. Slope, that's negative 1. The second method was substitution. We called it substitution because you take these two numbers and plug them in for the x. So negative 2 goes in for this x and y equals mx plus b form. Plug in the 6 for the y, and then the 3 goes in for the slope, giving us the b. The only exception to this one is that you have to plug in this number back into the original y equals mx plus b form. Bringing us to today's lesson. In the book, this is section 4.2. In section 4.2, we use the format point slope form, which is y minus y equals m times x minus x. As you can see in purple, that's what we're going to be filling in. Where do you get the numbers? Oh, you get them right here. The given information. Remember, the only directions I have once you've plugged in the 2 for this y, the 4 goes in for this x, and the 3 goes in for the m. The only direction is directions. Solve for y. Why? To get y equals mx plus b form. And we call this a shorter cut. It's not necessarily short, but it's a shorter way of getting y equals mx plus b form. So I have two examples here, so you can take a look. This way you go all the way through, straight through. This one we get a fraction and get a little negatives working here. You get to see what happens when you get negatives. You get a little bit of a sign change. And that's about it. Good luck on the homework.